moment, we have Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao also joining us. Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao, this is very significant. After taking oath, Chandrababu Naidu visiting the Tirumala temple, and he made the vow of protecting Hindu Dharma. He also spoke about several irregularities that have been taking place from the administration side over the last few years because of the previous government.
So that's a good initiative, and BJP welcomes that initiative by Chandrababu Naidu, the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. I think it's a good beginning, especially in our region where Balaji, Sri Venkateshwara Swami is considered a superior god, and we do understand that his blessings are required for everything we do in our lives. To start with cleaning up the act, which is actually going the wrong way, on the wrong track in the last government, is a good way to begin his new government.
Okay, all right. But, you know, he has made some grave allegations, including illegal conversions. In fact, Minister Satya Kumar has also spoken about the sanctity of TTD being brought down. These are some grave charges against the previous YSRCP government.
Of course, yes. The sanctity was lowered in the last government because there was a lot of other religious activity which was happening there, even on the hill, which is a complete no-no in terms of the religious sensitivities. And there was non-vegetarian food available on the top, on the hill, and there were other religious preachings and distribution of paraphernalia of other religions on the hill, on the Seven Hills, as we call the Lord of Seven Hills. So there was a lot of sanctity issues for Lord Venkateshwara on Tirupati and Tirumala. So clearing it off and starting on a fresh note is a very good move.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao. But meanwhile, politics has also broken out over the same, with the Congress party hitting back at the Chief Minister, accusing him of practicing double standards. Listen in.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि कौन क्या बात करता है, आज के उसमें कोई भरोसा नहीं है। अब समझौता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी से, और जो उनका एजेंडा है तो अपने को सेकुलर कहते हैं और मुसलमानों को हितैषी कहते हैं। एक तरफ ये कहते हैं मुसलमानों का जो हमने आरक्षण दिया है, मुसलमानों को हमने जो सुविधा दी है, उनको जो संस्थानों के लिए हमने पैसा दिया, फंडिंग दिया है, उसमें हम कायम रहेंगे, उसमें कोई सुधार नहीं होगा। और दूसरी तरफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो है तो ये कहती कि हम इसके खिलाफ हैं और दोनों मिला करके सरकार चला रहे हैं। तो इस तरह के दोहरे मापदंड से सरकार चल रही है, देखिए कितने दिन चलती है।
Shamit, thank you for joining us with those details.